Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Corroding, and today is a gorgeous summer day in Canada. My today's topic is what is the cheapest way to fix your radiator. If you have a leaky radiator and you're on a budget, I'll show you how to fix it. It is a temporary fix, but it's super cheap. It will get you a couple of days of couple of weeks of driving until you actually collect them, until you gather the money so that you can do the job properly. A friend of mine who has a car and he was having issue with his radiator, and he asked me what I can do or what I can suggest to fix it temporarily until he has the money to fix it. And usually a radiator, depending on your vehicle, would cost between $100 to $300, and again depending on the vehicle, the labor is between $150 to all the way to $400. So it's kind of all over the map. So hey everybody, I will be giving away the corroding window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away. I started looking around and I found a product and I thought, wow, that's an amazing product. I'm not sponsored by this product by any means, it's just I thought that was a great idea. The product I'm talking about is the Prestone triple seal protection. It was $15 in Canadian Tire. It has the solid product which melts in heat, and it helps to bond with the radiator or the aluminum and fix the hole. And inside there's this liquid product. I don't actually know what it is. It's probably not water. And inside that has this metal looking product. I think it has some lead in it. And so what you do is you open the radiator cap, you dump the solid first, and then you dump these two liquid all together. Fill it up with 50-50 antifreeze and start the vehicle. Once you start the vehicle, you run the heater full blast and let it idle until it goes to operating temperature. Keep an eye on it because you don't want it to overheat, because once you overheat it a couple of times you may need a new head gasket, so keep your eye on it. And once it at operating temperature, let it run for 10-15 minutes, turn it off. Let it cool down. Once it cools down, open the tap again, and if you see if it's missing any water, which it most likely will, top it up with a 50-50 antifreeze and then run it again. And keep doing it 4 or 5 times until you don't need to add any water anymore. So what it does is, once the vehicle is under pressure or the cooling system is under pressure, once the cooling system is under pressure, the liquid tries to escape through the hole, and while it's escaping through the hole, these chemicals, when it comes contact with oxygen in the air, it bonds and solidifies. So you probably need to run it a couple of times so that there's enough liquid that passes through the hole, and your car will probably leak, which is fine, and eventually it will fix the hole. Now, having said that, that is not a permanent fix, it's a temporary fix. You do that, maybe it will buy you a day or a couple of days until you figure out a way to put the new radiator in. One drawback of this product is, once I used this in my Toyota RAV4, and what happened was the heater core was not heating as much as it used to be prior to using that product, because this product actually goes inside the heater core. Sometimes it even clogs it up, so buyers be aware. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to stay up to date with more car related products and contents and quick fixes coming your way.